Two people killed in separate crashes in St. James and Manchester last evening. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two people were killed in separate crashes in St. James and Manchester on Friday evening. Dead are 44-year-old Tisha Rodney, a chef of Granville St. James, and 47-year-old Paul Graham, a farmer of Silent Hill Christian in Manchester. Rodney died as a result of injuries sustained in a crash along the Lilliput Main Road in St. James. Reports are that at around 9:40 p.m., the driver of a Toyota Mark X motor car lost control of the vehicle, which collided with a Noah motor car in which Rodney and two other persons were traveling. The injured persons were taken to hospital where Rodney was pronounced dead.
See what's that? What's done? What's done?
Them good man, the general. Them good man. Nobody.
I know a taxi man and probably it's an idiot, man. Now I blame a taxi man. Yeah, but it's an idiot the next one.
Yes, my idiot too.
People want to go home, you know. But they have their family to go to. Talk about 9 people in a vehicle, like I said. Them a blood clear idiot where I get markets, I idiot them, man.
4 or 5 of them.
4 of them. And look what the fuck of them go do. I hope them family and everything.
Have to, man, have to.
Let him go, let him reach all the way. Let him what I say? Let him no, see when you're there, brother.
I'm going to drop down here.
When driver's license and watch it. You take out the license.
My boy bag it. No, somebody have the one bag already.
Where, brother? Who have it?
Somebody have the bag.
Yo, I have the bag.
My boy have the bag.
Who that? Purple boxes? Oh.
Watch out. Believe bad man. I couldn't believe about
Shit on foot week.
I don't want flesh not enough. Our flesh out our foot not enough.
No man, I rice that.
I rice that flesh out our man. Hey, mother.
No dog.
I feel your vehicle.
No dog. The dog, isn't it?
It's sitting in there. I know.
Watch out. Watch out. Bumbo class and I like one driver, brother.
Minutes earlier, Graham was killed in a crash along the Succeed Main Road in Manchester. Reports from the police are that at around 9:05 p.m., Graham was driving a motorcycle along the roadway when upon reaching the entrance of the Bell Funeral Home, the bike collided in a motor car. Graham was flung from the motorcycle. He was pronounced dead at hospital. One man was arrested in relation to the collision. Residents told reporters that Graham was a good man who practiced road safety. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.